High value completed orders are those which have the amount above $500 and the status of completed. Problematic orders are those orders that were either cancelled or returned, and low value completed orders are those which are having amount of less than $100 and the status of completed. So basically the idea is to use case when statement using an aggregation function as well. So we are going to do that here. First, we start with the select statement. Because we want to produce customer level results, we need to write select customer ID. Now we want to build these three different metrics, and each one of them uses a case expression. You should keep in mind that the case when expression is one of the most powerful tools in SQL. It works exactly like an if-else statement in other programming languages like Python. So we write down sum case when amount above 500 and status equal to completed, then 1 else 0. We finalize the case when statement with an end, and then as high value orders. Basically, the idea of using a sum function here is to avoid subqueries. So it's more helpful, to be honest. Next, we want to look at problematic orders. As we defined it, which problematic orders we have cancelled or returned. So it is only by selecting sum of case of when status equal to cancelled or status equal to returned, then 1 else 0 and then end. And the last one, low value completed orders. Actually, this helps a business understand customers who make lots of small purchases. So it's easy. Sum case when amount under 100 and status equal to completed, then 1 else 0 end as low value orders. Now let's jump into the last one. We write down count asterisk or count star. It counts everything. We then group by the results by customer ID. You can see that, for example, customer ID 101 has 2 high value orders, 3 problematic orders, and no low value orders among total orders of 5. That's all. Thank you.